start it off with.
Alrighty.
We're gonna start it off with when do you make it official? The floor is
Yeah.
open.
Is it where or when?
When
When?
do you make it official?
When?
That's when you have your things in order.
When do you decide to call your
What
girlfriend?
things in order?
Call her your
Yeah,
girlfriend?
exactly. What do you mean when you have your things in order?
When you know you're number one.
How will you know you're number
how
one?
can-
Because
how can
these
you know
honeys,
though?
bro.
You always have been number one. Why are you asking me?
Aye, man, you're the one that's.
But we want to know
pushing.
why you're saying you have to be number one. How do you know you're number one?
Yeah, that's a pretty good question. I think you should ask the other dudes because I'm actually lost. I wouldn't know.
But this is your topic, though. This is what you said.
It's not my topic. It's not my topic.
Oh, is it?
But that's what usually happens.
I think. What's the question?
When do you make it official?
I think you make it official when you know, like what Ryan said, when you put your things in order, when you've you've cut off all those. Remember the last episode we talked about those and those.
Yeah,
when you cut off them, then whatever.
Right.
That's when now you can make it official. Like, yo, I'm ready now.
I feel like personally, I feel like you make it official like when you've gotten over your ex or something.
Not even though.
What if you have no ex?
No.
Hey, listen.
I feel like
What do you mean? What
That's
if
a
you
good
don't have an
question.
ex? Everyone has an ex here. What
Like hey, bro, some people
yeah, I don't have
just.
exes, bro.
I'm sorry. What? Walter? What?
I did receive it.
Right? Because
It's okay, we believe you, man.
there's a thing we used to do with Ryan.
There were
Ryan,
theories.
remember what we used to do?
Which antics? Because we did a spam,
The
dude.
three,
We would wait 3 months.
3 months after you break up, you have to wait at least.
Yeah, definitely.
That gives
Yeah,
you time.
book that.
Man,
to,
that's some bullshit.
It doesn't work. It
it
doesn't work.
works.
I feel like
It works.
It gives you time to actually.
Because you clear your mind.
Exactly.
I feel like
Wait, like 3 months of what? I'm not talking to any girl.
I
No.
feel like the
No,
Of a
I'm not
relationship.
actually just going for a go.
You know what? I think it's not even about 3 months or anything.
no,
You
it's
can't
not
have,
even about getting over your ex. It's about when
because you know
you
you can get over your ex
start
in
to
2 weeks.
go with
To be honest with you, like time doesn't really matter, bro. Like
Exactly.
it's just like a
You
matter of how
can
both
stay
of
2
you
months.
feel. Like if you guys are on the same page, bro, and you know what that shit's like,
Hey,
then you jump it, bro.
2 weeks.
you can be on the same page but still be
2 weeks.
still not
2 weeks.
trust the age.
2 weeks.
Oh,
2 is weeks.
Oh, so, oh. Oh.
Dan the man.
Okay.
Dan the man.
Dan the fan. When I look
He's about to drink.
Might as speed.
Don't tell him we're recording, eh?
Right.
Why is it
Please
taking so
don't do
long?
Like, I don't do it like that. Don't do it.
Data. Anyways, let's go back.
Shit, you on the trash, bro.
Oh!
Hey, what to do, Dan?
Damn.
Oh, the lag on that is actually extreme.
Say something, bro.
What's good, homie?
Fast hits.
He didn't switch on the audio.
What's the audio? Switch on your audio.
Yembesi, in the bottom left corner, mdara. Ubadza pakadzi audio.
Come on, Dan. Come on.
Why did you mute it? Mute. Unmute. Come on, Danny. Unmute, Danny. Come on, Dan.
Aye. Dare.
Umeenda kupi?
dare. Hey, Dan.
I didn't want.
Can you hear me, Dan?
Yo. Yeah, I can hear you.
The topic is, when do you make it official? This nigga just me.
I mean,
What's the topic? Yo?
Confessing.
When do you make it official?
keys were muted. One of keys were
You muted me, bruh. I'm jealous.
What's the question?
Tough time never lasts.
When did you make it official?
When do you make it
When do you
official?
decide to make a girl your girlfriend?
Yeah.
When do you make it official?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hey. All right. So in a situation like this, I think that both of you have to realize the situation in you guys. It's conducive for it to be official. By that I mean that you can't want to make it official. Uchiona kuti zvisikubuda, there's always an owner suspecting kuti he's tapping, uchironeka vibe kg. So once that shit is all over, like it's gone and it's dusted, it's done with you, that shit, I think that's when you can make it official.
But on the Dido, there's always an old that is tapping though.
That's the life. There's
Always owns, but once you don't care, you get it. Once you
What do you mean you don't care, bro?
That's what I mean. That's what I mean.
What you don't
make
care?
it
picture ndaona anzi usada kubvunzisa, usada kutarisa foni yake, utori like kuti anokuda.
This is what I mean, Kuti. You have to get over your trust issues first before you make it.
I think
Guys, let's just move on. Clearly this one is hey. Murikuradza kuti munongopinda marelationship musingafungi vanhu. What she?
They must know.
Let's move on.
What did you know going to say?
Let's go, Ryan.
There we go. Come, Ryan. Oh, Ryan.
Tell them.
Yes, sir. All right. Next topic. Would you be
Big man.
next topic? Would you be okay with being a side?
Yeah.
No.
Like, nah.
If there's not too much drama, how did you?
So
Nah.
Dan is saying yes. Oh, what's your reason?
Like if it's not complicated, Guti, I'm a side, right? But then she wants me to do main duties. That's Woody.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I agree there.
Chaga.
Yo,
I
this
just
is
I don't
all
want Dan said like
Yeah, I'm a Urechi Mutare. Eh. Chagati.
wow, Inangu. What was I saying? What was the question again? Is it okay to decide?
Yeah.
Would you be okay?
Would you be okay?
Yeah, I would be actually. Yeah, because it's like
Experience.
the main. Chill. But like the main own guy, he's doing his thing. Like if he's not finessing the broad and I can do it, I will do it with pleasure.
With pleasure.
Pleasure.
With pleasure.
We see you guys.
Hey, Ryan, why are you saying no?
You got jokes, innit?
5-letter word, earn pride.
I'm trying to pray, Diaguga. Chi.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. I'm getting over it,
Do
but it's a
10
thing.
days.
what pride is there in the song? If anything, it's not even doing it.
Wallace, back me up here, dude.
You know what? Personally, I don't like sharing. So if I'm in the charm, I want to know that the wangu ndega. You get what I mean? I don't like
Exactly.
I'm not even gonna let some other nigga tap my charm. Ndakatogogara beside. Nah, it doesn't work like that.
You can't be part of a train.
What? Wait, what?
Guys,
What?
What the hell does that mean, bro? Explain yourself, Ryan. Explain.
What makes you think you'll be the only side nigga?
Exactly.
You're agreeing.
What makes you think you're the only main own?
Exactly. You're agreeing to be the side nigga for a reason. You just want to be there for the benefits of being a side nigga.
This is what I said.
Then
I
get a
don't like
hoe.
sharing. I
That
don't
is
like
your
sharing.
whole guy.
It's too complicated for nothing.
Guys,
Oh, listen, this is what's
I
going
don't
on.
like sharing.
This
I
year,
don't like sharing.
it's not your hand, right?
Uh,
You are just there to just do your do. That's it.
That's
Exactly.
exactly
Right.
what I mean.
the ongo is
Exactly.
That's exactly what
But
I
I'm
mean.
saying, like, we're all simple. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, there's no attachment, there's nothing. You don't have any hand.
Also, what did you?
Amana.
Oh, God, people.
No, if you're agreeing to be a side nigga, there's no emotional attachment clearly. It's in it for the benefits. And usually it's like there's a type of chick whereby you don't want her to, she's not wifey material. Fine. This is gonna come off offensive to some, but I believe there are some people who are born to be side chick. Some people they can't.
About life. There's some girls.
This nigga had to take off the glasses, bro. Like,
That is
It
being
is a
honest.
serious
Glasses,
issue.
isn't it?
There's those girls that you look at and you be like, never.
They're not kitchen material. I came kitchen. You get
Your bedroom.
It's a kitchen material.
already my side. Like I'm a given example. You know how people always say like you know yabes who've got big things. You know like
You're gifted.
okay.
gifted. People who are gifted. Yeah.
Mm.
Whereby you feel insecure with that person. So people say it's better you have a person like that as your side, and then you don't have to go through that insecurity and what when she's not with you.
Oh, who gives you this advice?
That's deep.
True,
I
being
like.
honest.
Hey, who's not gonna be good? Hey,
No, I just like
Look what I did. You know,
but it's not always.
Ajay, what if
It's not always the case though.
you, the person, just genuinely just likes?
would you be
Big
okay
things.
with being inside?
Exactly. Me.
what?
Yeah.
Chaka, what did you say?
Me personally. I would actually.
Complicated to say.
I would.
Wait. Simple question. Hands up if you've been a side nigga before.
Does this count if you suspect it?
If you suspect, like,
Oh,
no.
shit.
If you made a conscious decision to be a side nigga, put your hand up.
Yeah, I like.
I want to go to myself.
To be honest, I haven't actually been
I don't
like,
share.
okay, yeah, I know you've got an own, but let's do the do. You see, I answered numbers you did wrong. I haven't.
Yeah, I
that's
can't do that,
homemaking.
bro.
That's
Yeah,
what
I
I'm
can't
making,
do
bro.
that,
That's too far.
Yeah.
I'll make sure that the owner is part of the picture completely.
Hey, also,
Then I'll add mine.
My sports. I think that
It's 100-meter, no dash.
my sports are against.
It's a fast game. But yeah,
but like, listen.
I'll
like,
give another example. Okay, then.
yeah. Like when you want to be a side guy, i-contract yekuti uda kuhura manje hure unoona mudenmark kana kuti unoona mumastreets.
I've always got.
Do you understand?
Let me give an
This is
example.
must.
Let me give an example. Let's say a funny baby who's going out with another owner, but then the owner is not servicing his Yeb proper. Then the Yeb comes to you and says, own, my owner is not servicing me. Do for me, please.
I feel like that's what I just said, though.
I think I just hear say with no goal.
Live. Because the next question we're gonna ask, did you send the pig?
I think I just hear say
Big man, why'd you say big man?
because
You said
because
what big?
Big man say. Big
Do you have
man.
the
You make it sound
facilities
like
with that, big man?
BD.
because if
Big
she's
man has
been
the
disappointed
facilities,
before, why would she risk?
Nigga energy.
Energy.
And energy.
Energetic.
But guys, honestly, okay, what's the difference between accepting being a side and just doing it without consciously knowing that she has an own?
Aywa. Wait, when you make a conscious decision, you know.
I think that's speaks for itself, bro.
Huh?
I feel like
nothing more than just
you're breaking up.
It's just pleasure.
Okay, yeah.
Us
Data.
Who's talking?
when you make a conscious decision to be a side nigga, you know it's not going anywhere. You're just in it for pleasure. You're not expecting a good morning text every day. You're not expecting how was your day, what. You just expect
true.
that, are you learned by my cabin? You get what I'm saying?
You up.
Alright. I don't think I can do that. Nah.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't work.
Indopina ni moyo man.
Yeah, okay.
No,
You
guys,
finally
no.
accepted. You finally
Really,
accepted. Welcome to the club, man. Welcome to the
Maybe
club.
you see me with food, you know that I don't like sharing. What more? Oh God, guys.
Funny oga.
Aiwa.
Nukara wa- Okay, guys, next topic, guys.
You gotta look out for yourself. You know what I'm saying? These streets are cold.
So you're saying hoes over bros? Is that what you're saying?
Is that what you're saying?
Basically.
Bros are bros, bro.
What?
You can still be bros with hoes.
To be honest,
Nah.
My guy.
Dan, I'll be honest with you. Dan, I've got a question for you. I've got a question for you.
Guy.
I've got a question for
Big
you,
man.
dude.
Yeah, hey, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.